Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to install and activate your Xfinity Internet in 2025. If you're a new subscriber or upgrading your setup, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Xfinity has streamlined things for 2025, so let's dive right in. First, unbox your Xfinity kit. You'll typically find a modem, a router, coaxial cables, and power cords. Double-check that everything matches your order to avoid any surprises. Once unpacked, find a central spot in your home for the best signal coverage. Next, connect the modem. Plug one end of the coaxial cable into the wall outlet and the other into the modem's cable port. Then, attach the power cord and wait for the lights on the modem to stabilize. This usually takes a minute or two. If your setup includes a separate router, connect it to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Power up the router and follow the quick setup instructions, which might involve scanning a QR code or entering your Wi-Fi details. Now, for activation. Download the Xfinity app on your smartphone or head to their website. Log in with your account credentials, select Activate Device, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to enter your modem's serial number, which is on a sticker underneath. This step often completes in under 5 minutes. After activation, test your connection by opening a web browser or streaming a video. If you run into issues, like no internet access, restart your devices or check for error codes in the app. Xfinity's support chat is super helpful if you need extra assistance. A few pro tips for 2025. Use the Xfinity app to manage your network, set up guest Wi-Fi for visitors, and enable parental controls. This will keep your setup secure and optimized. There you have it. Your Xfinity Internet is up and running. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.